This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities, and all content provided by this channel is meant for education purpose only.
Imagine spinning up a virtual machine so powerful it could run an entire tech startup, train AI models, or host massive game servers, and you're paying absolutely nothing. No credit card, no shady signups, just raw computing power, ready to deploy, and yes, it actually works in 2025. Perfect for massive data processing tasks, 192 CPU cores, ideal for parallel computing, hosting enterprise apps, or even running your own cloud services and GPU included. The best part is that you can run it for hours straight and restart it instantly without any waiting. While most people are stuck with limited trial servers, I stumbled upon a method, one that's not shared in typical forums or tech blogs, that unlocks an enterprise-grade VPS for free. And before you ask, yes, you'll get full root access, 24/7 uptime, insane speeds, and enough resources to feel like you're running your own private data center. So how do you pull this off without breaking any rules or writing a single line of code? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm walking you through step by step, nothing held back. If you're tired of weak VPS demos and want the real deal, this video might just be your secret weapon. Let's get into it. And hey, if you love unlocking powerful tech secrets like this, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out. Now let's unlock your monster VPS. Alright, here's exactly what you need to do. Open your browser and head over to this site, console.cloud.intel.com. This is where the free high-spec VPS is hosted. No credit card, no payment walls. Click on the first link that shows up. First, sign up using just your email. Click on Next. Now, we're going to create an account. This step unlocks access to your dashboard. On this page, fill out the registration form carefully. Use your real information, it's very important. Oops, got an error? No worries, just double-check your email format or password length. Small mistakes can cause that. Once you're done, check your email for a verification code. Copy it, paste it back in, and click Create Account. Congratulations, first gate unlocked. Now, to secure your account, enter your phone number. Select your country, type your number, then hit Send Code or Call Me. Heads up, use a real and personal phone number. VoIP or virtual numbers may not work here. Enter the SMS code and verify. You'll be redirected to the terms and conditions. Click on I accept, but please, take a minute to skim through them. Knowing the rules keeps your free server safe. And we're in. Welcome to the Intel Developer Cloud Dashboard. You can take a moment here, they've got a library of free AI tools, dev environments, and other goodies. Now, look over to the far left side of your screen, you'll see a menu labeled Learning. Click the little drop-down arrow next to it to expand the options. From there, go ahead and select Notebooks. This is where all your saved work and learning materials are neatly organized, and it's where we'll be diving in next. Don't let the number of AI tools overwhelm you, there are about 23 of them waiting for you here. Just stick with me and follow each step closely. The best part? Every single tool is free for you to explore and experiment with. From image generation to much more, there's a whole suite of powerful options you can dive into later. You're not just walking away with a free 1 TB VPS, you're unlocking a full toolbox of premium AI features too. Alright, let's keep it moving. To grab your free VPS, scroll down the page until you spot the option that says PyTorch on Intel GPUs. Got it? Perfect, now go ahead and click Launch. This is where things start getting really exciting, so stay with me. At this point, you'll be asked to log in again and go through one more quick phone verification. Don't worry, just breeze through it. It's all part of their security setup to keep your server and personal data safe while you're using the platform. So go ahead and get that done, we're almost there. Alright. We're now inside the Intel Jupyter Lab dashboard. This is where the real action begins. From here, we're going to tap into our free VPS with 1 TB of RAM and 192 CPU cores. Yes, completely free. And here's the crazy part, hardly anyone knows about this. You're getting exclusive access to a lightning-fast server with full root privileges, and it won't cost you a dime. Before we dive in further, take a quick second to subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world, and it keeps us bringing you more of these game-changing tutorials. Let's keep going. Now let's dive into the heart of it, the terminal. This is where we unlock the real power behind our free VPS. Go ahead and click on the terminal button at the bottom to launch it. Once it opens up, we'll start exploring what this beast of a server can really do. Let's go treasure hunting. Alright, let's take a peek under the hood of our free server and see what kind of power we're working with. We're going to run a few simple commands. Just follow along exactly as I do, and you'll be able to check out the full specs like RAM, CPU, and more. Ready? Let's do this. And just look at that, right here, you can clearly see we've got 1 TB of RAM packed into this server. Pretty wild, right? But to make things even clearer, let me run another command so you can see the full CPU breakdown. I'll just type in lscpu. This will show us all the juicy CPU details, number of cores, threads, architecture, and more. Let's take a look. And there it is, just as promised. You can clearly see we've got 192 powerful CPU cores running on this beast of a server. It's not just talk, we've tested and verified everything ourselves so you know exactly what you're getting, and hey, this is just the beginning. We're committed to bringing you only the best free and legit tools, apps, and resources out there, no fluff, no fakes. So stick around, because we've got a whole lot more coming your way. This free VPS server is perfect for developers, AI trainers, crypto researchers, or literally anyone who needs raw computing power without spending a cent. You also get full root access, so you can install tools, run scripts, train models, or even host a multi-user game server. And just like that, you've unlocked a powerhouse of a server, absolutely free. We're talking 1 TB of RAM and 192 CPU cores at your fingertips, with no hidden catches. If this guide helped you get ahead or save a few bucks, tap that like button to let others know it's worth checking out. Make sure to subscribe too. We've got more exclusive tech tools and clever tricks on the way that most people don't even know exist. Got questions or got stuck? Drop them in the comments, I'm always here to help. Until then, stay curious, stay sharp, and keep creating.